Python has built-in types int and float for representing numbers. The integer numbers have type int and ones with a fractional part have type float. So you can assign x equal to value 2, which is an integer, y equal to the value 3, and you can use the expression x plus y to calculate the value sum of x and y. You can see that x is an integer and y is also an integer. So if you run this, you will be getting the value as 5. Other operators possible are x minus, star for multiplication, slash for division. You can see that the division operator returns a float. Division always returns a float. Or you can represent floating numbers also in Python. Here you can see that x has become a float and y has also become a float. So you will be getting the output when you type x slash y, x divided by y. Besides numbers, Python can also manipulate strings, which can be expressed in several ways. Strings are enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. You can type a equal to hello, b equal to world, print a. You can see that a is a string. If you print this, it will print hello. If you print b, it will print world. B is also a string. Characters in a string map to an integer value. This mapping is defined in character sets, ASCII and Unicode. So you can use the function ORD, ordinal, to get the ASCII value corresponding to a character. So if you take the first character of the string hello, you can write it as a of 0 and print this, then it will print the ASCII corresponding to h, that is 104.